Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both systems. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on your Android device, because Visual Studio uses ADB to talk to the phone. Install Visual Studio's mobile development workload, plus the Android SDK and ADB tools, so required toolchains exist. Once done, plug the phone into USB, accept the trust prompt, and run a DB devices to verify the device ID appears. This confirms the low-level connection that lets Visual Studio deploy and debug apps. Now configure Visual Studio to use that connection. Open your Android project and make it the startup project, because Visual Studio will build and deploy that one. In the Device Selector toolbar, choose your physical device. The list populates after a DB recognizes it, so make sure it shows. Set debug versus release as needed and confirm the target API level and CPU ABI match the device. Mismatches block deployment. Once those settings are correct, build the solution and prepare to deploy the app to the phone. To finish, click Deploy or Start Debugging to install the app on the phone, and use debug mode to hit breakpoints and step through code. Monitor output and Android device log or logcat for runtime messages, because logs reveal missing permissions or crashes. If the device does not appear, make sure the USB cable and port work, then reinstall the OEM USB driver on Windows or run a dbkill server. A db start server to reset ADB. This common troubleshooting step usually restores recognition quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.